about?
I think it should be about endangered animals.
Yeah, good idea. We could go to the zoo and take pictures of the animals. We could interview the zookeepers.
I want to use a green screen. And then we could talk about endangered animals like pandas and rhinos. Some animals are endangered because of things that humans are doing.
If we don't help, they will go extinct.
Some animals that are endangered are pandas and rhinos.
Cut.
Just a reminder, make sure that you don't plagiarize.
That's when you use someone else's work like a photo without asking. It's illegal and it's totally not cool.
Bye. What picture are we using?
Let's see. This one. Can I see it?
Sure.
If you drag this over here, you can write stuff.
Are you guys ready to submit a movie?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Endangered animals. What category are you in? This one. Submitting. Yay!
I think we did a good job on our movie. I agree.
I hope we win an award.
Me too. Yep.